This is the sky and this is the bridge. Sky bridge. So guys, we are wearing all white today. No, white top and then denims. Anything you can say today? How was your breakfast?
It's good, full already.
Pure Bisaya ni Adlaw. Hi mga taga-upon, taga-ababag o taga-talamban. Ano yan? Padung na kami sa among destinasyon.
Island.
Nga mag-isla Abak-Ambak. Puma sa sunod, ato namin sa kalimang Bitoon. Kaya among gipuyan karon duhara man ka bitoon. Mo nang medyo sakit ang likod kaya ang ulan gahayon. Kung medyo yung kuwang-kuwang, moingon na lang ka nga chita. Tarawa rin ka unay kanon.
And then the other side, this is Volcano Island.
This
This is the other side, is Volcano Island, Pregnant Island. The other side is just the island. We call it just the island, guys. Okay. Pregnant Maiden Lake.
Raquel, where are you going, Kel?
It's tandas, it's toilet.
We are going to have paddle boat
Paddle boat. No, it's not paddle.
and
It's motorboat.
kayaking.
Kayak. Wow, very nice one. Hi, girl. Say hi to your fans. Hi, fans.
Guys, we only avail this for 10 ringgits. They said they have this promotion, so we can already have this life jacket. Usually it's 5. Paddle boat and kayaking is 30 ringgit each, but for today, we only pay 10 ringgit for all these free. So
Kayaking, this one, first time. Let's we do the paddle.
In Boracay.
yeah.
Me, I already tried this in Bora, so it's fine with me.
It's fine with you. Okay, for me, quite tiring. Then look at my
For me, it's a exercise.
exercise.
So at least
For
we
me,
able to-
I'm wet.
Our foot is wet.
We are done with the water activities. We just had our kayaking paddle boat. So now we're going back to our boat to go to the other island. Hi! We are going swimming now in the beach. So we managed to change
Without toilet.
without toilet. We just use our sarong. See Raquel's outfit. Guys, nakadungog ni Og. Buto. Don't know if what.
Hi guys, this is our lunch.
Lunch
For this day.
Hi guys! Last day in Langkawi and we're off to see the skybridge.
Good morning. Our new driver here. And all girls here are ready for the sky cable.
can you hold this?
Guys, welcome to the skybridge.
Skybridge here, Langkawi.
Hi, Georgie. Happy working.
Wow, this is Nick.
This is our new friend. How was your Langkawi experience?
It was fine and good and then relaxing as well. And then I enjoy the sports activities in Langkawi like the kayaking and then the duck motorbike.
Of course, I like the food. It's quite cheap there compared to SG, of course.
I like the sky cab experience.
Then but you're so scared, right?
I was scared inside the sky cab. But it's not really scary. I'm just maybe having like a height. What is that?
Height fear.
Fear of heights.
heights.
Yeah. Please don't forget to
Like and subscribe.